Hello. I have a word from the Lord this morning. It's hard to know what's going on because the devil's a liar, and the devil's been lying for a really long time. The devil's really good at lying, and the devil has been really thorough at keeping the rest of us, the rest of ours and us, dumbed down to not see the elephant in the room, which happens to be the treacherous liar. Okay? And the devil lies about everything. Like everything. Okay? But the Holy Spirit doesn't. And the Holy Spirit is a gift from God. And the Holy Spirit leads you into all truth, so that you won't be deceived into following the wrong Jesus out into the desert. Or to some foreign make-believe planet that they have no ability to ever actually get to, because the heavens and the planets are in the hands of God. And the enemy is cut off from those things. And we happen to be sharing the same fishbowl for a short season with that conspiring, treacherous liar that roams about, seeking whom he may devour. His favorite food are the righteousness of Christ. But he can only eat them if they're dumbed down. They give their faith over to him. It, they, them, whatever. Jesus Christ is the ark of our salvation out of that toilet bowl. So, if you want to be cleaned up, yeah, it's just from the poop chute. And come to Jesus. The Holy Spirit cleans the house. That's something you can dance about. The Holy Spirit cleans the house. The Holy Spirit cleans the house. Hey, the Holy Spirit clean my house. Hey, ooh. The Holy Spirit cleaned my house. I could hear a mouse fart from 2 continents away, because the Holy Spirit isn't isn't tied to a time-space continuum. The Spirit is not. But man is, in the mind, tied to a time-space continuum. But God has showed us how to get out of that treacherous scheme of a web. What is it? What a tangled web we weave when we practice to deceive. Yeah, we've got a web of deception. Okay? And freedom is truth is what makes you free, and Jesus is the truth. Okay, and the more free you get, the more that web of deception is going to come close and weave itself around you in storylines that have already aspired, because they know they work. Well, they just keep doing the same thing. The enemy doesn't have any new tricks. But God is full of orchestration, and the gates of hell can never prevail against what God's doing. No matter how much they want to put on a show. What are you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it? That's what the Holy Spirit says. What are you gonna do about it?